affect pivot only selected and move it to here, but it is not very accurate. So I will use the align button. Select it while affect pivot only is selected. Click on the align and then click on my object. What I should to do, maximum or minimum, one of these. Then I should see which actually which direction. Okay, and before this I just put it at the center once because I add some extra parts, so I put it in the center. Once I click here, then again align. So maximum or minimum, sometimes is minimum, sometimes is maximum. Align to which point? I don't want to push all three, just one of them because it's already at the center. Minimum go here and maximum go another side. It depends to your direction. Okay, and unselect it. Now I can move it. Right click on the spinner to be at the 0 position. Then I will move it 5 centimeter, -5 at the here. Actually -5 is so much, maybe -4. Okay, then I will use the align tools. Align, align, sorry, I will use the array tools. I will select it. I need to make the 5 actually 5 the legs around, but why I move it 5 centimeter to the left, because I want it move, create along this 0 position. So again I will select affect pivot only. Why it is selected, I will right click on the spinner to make sure it is at the 0. So once I put it at the maximum part of the object to make it exactly 4 centimeter distance, then again back it to the 0. So if I want to rotate it, it will be around this pivot point at the 0 position. So I will go to the tools, array, and how many, just 5. Which direction I also don't know. I will try maybe Z 360 and preview. What is 160? 100, no. See, okay, 360, and in the preview I can see it is okay, so I will okay it and just change the color for a better view. Okay, now, okay, I did one mistake. What I did when I actually create the array, I use the instance. I should use the copy because I want to attach them. So okay, now one of them is select and attach the rest. Select the edges, and I want to scale all of them, so I will use actually this mode, use selection center. Then the selection center is actually between all of the selected object. Hold on the shift and click and drag. Okay, now I need to weld these vertices. So use the weld, I will make it high until it will be attached. Apply it, apply it. The same I will do. Okay, actually I can do this with these two as well. Now the border is selected. If it wasn't selected, also choose the border and click and select. Hold on the shift and click and drag to make another part, and one time more. Actually, one time more, maybe no need. Okay, this is our leg until now. Then we need to continue. So the rest is using actually the shell modifier. Okay, I just want to make sure all of the things that I weld is work well, is actually really welded, and so I will apply the turbo smooth. So there is not anything wrong, is okay. If there was any broken part, then I could think there is some vertices that didn't weld well. So I will apply the shell modifier to give it a dimension, make it high, maybe 2 centimeter. Okay, right click and convert it to editable poly. I will select this edge around and just ring them. Hold on the control and click on the polygon, select them and delete them because I don't need them. Select the border here, outside the border, and hold on the shift. A small amount I will drag to make a new, then quite bigger, then a little bit more, and this time with the scale, while I am holding still the shift, I make it down. Okay, this is until now. Let's apply the turbo smooth. Actually, next time I will cut it. Okay, this part is already ready, but this part already need more work more. So back to here, I will okay, I no need to cut it, just keep it and just select all the center part and move them up. Okay, it was better to do it before use the shell, but it is still okay. Well, I will add the new edges here, so I will use the ring and connect them, two segment, one go to the up and one go to the down. No need to be so close, maybe just 60 is enough. Let's try it. Okay, is almost okay, and we need to work at the tips. Before that, I will move them a little bit out, so select all of them and with the scale tool move them out, then select all of edges here, connect them, this time just one time, and just be close to the tip. Okay, I guess this is almost what we needed. The size of this part is very small, so I need to scale this part. need to add this part. And if you sometimes in this situation see it's hard to select, you can use the other selection region such as the cylinder. You need always use the rectangle. Okay, and move them out. Well, and what else? I need to unhide the wheels. Wheel, actually we just have one. Okay, put it here. I would like to make sure that this part, uh, the pivot point is at the hole, so we can arrange it easier. There is some small connection between these two. You can create one small cylinder, but we really cannot see this part, so no need. Okay, and maybe rotate it a little bit. Or maybe just keep it here. If you don't want to copy, just this is here, and pivot point, put it at the 0 position. Just try it once and use again the array with the same values. Okay, well, it seems that when I was moving it up I didn't move some part such as this. Yes, it was a mistake. I have been selected from here, so no choice to back now, just move it down. It's better when you're selecting, check with the other viewports too. Okay, this is still not finished, and watch the next movie for finishing this chair.